What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create this extreme slow motion effect. I think it's a very interesting effect. You don't need to shoot your footage to be in 60 FPS, all of those things. You can really fake that illusion. So if you want to know how to do that, make sure to stick with me until the end. Before we go on with this tutorial, I have to let you know that there's a crazy offer over at our website Friendly Files. For a very limited time, when you buy an editing pack, you can get another one for completely free. So I really suggest stacking up on those editing packs because it's now lasting for a long time and we only do those once a year, so make sure to take advantage of that. Now without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. All right, so we are now in After Effects. This is the clip that we're gonna have the effect on. So basically our goal is that it's gonna be like this, and then we're gonna have this speed ramp effect, and then we're gonna have an extreme slow motion when it gets closer. So the first step to doing that, we're gonna apply the effect time warp. There we go. Let's apply it to our clip right here, and at the beginning we're just gonna leave it at the regular speed 100, and then about there, maybe at the 1 second mark, we're gonna keyframe this when we're gonna start the animation. So a few frames further, we're gonna make it 400 so that it picks up on speed, and then a few frames further we're gonna make it 5, and now we're gonna ease those keyframes and it's gonna look like this. You ease those keyframes by pressing F9, by the way. So as you can see, you get this really extreme slow-mo. It looks pretty good. So we can do one right there, and then let's do another one about here. A few frames further, 400, a few frames further, let's say 5 again. You can even stretch it more. Yeah, something like that looks super cool. For the people that want to take advantage of the buy one get one free sale, we have a very fire pack called New Wave Effects. You basically go into your presets, and now you have all of these really fire presets. There are over 20. All you got to do to create them is just create an adjustment layer. This grungy night vision one is super fire. As you can see, you get this really grungy night vision green kind of effect. I think I'm gonna put it more as a flicker kind of effect when it speeds up. Yeah, something like that. And then I'm gonna duplicate it and do the same thing there. Now we just need a little transition, so we can create a new solid doing Command Y. Make sure that the color is to white, and we can put some at each extremity. So let's do the same at the beginning. Boom. Super fire. That is insane. That is insane. And there's so many more effects. If you're tired of always creating those effects from scratch, that is definitely the preset pack for you. And if you really want to match that new wave aesthetic as well, it'll be available in the description. If you want to see a couple more, I'm going to show you a few others. We also got Florida Grunge if you really want that grunge. We got Florida Grunge if you really want to add that grunge, gritty look to your music videos or just edits in general. And what's crazy about New Wave Effects is that you can really stack those textures up. Let's see like what it's on top of that. Look at this effect. Like look at the details, the grunginess. It's so crazy. We got some stretchy pixelated transitions. That is super fire right there. Now the last step to our effect I think we're gonna add is flicker effect. So let's create a new adjustment layer and let's add exposure to our adjustment layer. Now let's do alt click on the stopwatch and type wiggle 12 comma and then 1. Now it's gonna add that nice flicker. Now let's look at our final result. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if it brought you any value, please consider subscribing. We're on our way to 5K. And if you got any tutorial ideas, something you want to learn, please let me know in the comments down below so I can do that for you. If you still want to learn some crazy sauce, watch this video right there. I'll see you there. Peace.